This video provides a simple overview of how we will ensure social distancing is maintained during the period of wider opening for our Year 10 students. The government has directed schools that we must not have any more than 25% of our Year 10 cohort in school at any given time. At Wade Deacon, this means that only 80 Year 10 students can attend each day. Each student will be asked to attend school for one day each week. In order to limit the mixing of students and to conform to social distancing guidelines, each student has been allocated to a pod. Each pod consists of 6 to 10 students, with a teacher designated to each pod. A key element of maintaining social distancing is to ensure that different pods do not come into contact with each other. Therefore, each pod has been allocated its own classroom, and pods have been allocated to different zones in school, with 3 to 4 pods in each zone and 3 different zones in school. Luckily, our building allows simple zoning into 3 different areas: the red zone, the yellow zone and the purple zone. Each pod has access to its own toilet facilities and hand washing facilities, and each pod also has additional staff allocated to support in each zone. In classrooms, careful organisation will ensure that social distancing is maintained. Desks are at least 2 metres apart, with students assigned their own desk and provided with a pack of resources for them to use. Classrooms are cleaned each day. When in school, students will take part in 3 lessons, led by a subject specialist in English, Maths and Science. The allocated teacher to the pod will support their learning during the session. Students who are unable to attend school will be able to access these lessons remotely via Microsoft Teams. Learning from home will be further supported through the delivery of live webinars each day, again focusing on English, Maths and Science. Over the course of the week, we will aim to provide a clear structure for home learning activities, whilst further developing the remote learning provision. Further information about Phase 3 will be provided soon. In the meantime, you will find additional detailed guidance about arrangements for returning to school in the accompanying video and the letter published this week.